Okay, I am recording from, well, a dead end sign and just looking through the fence, getting video of this. I mean, this is going through Colton, California right here, and it's just all the way down. I've also got a few pictures. I mean, this is crazy. This is just, I mean, they got surface-to-air missile ones. They got all, oh, here comes some tanks if you want to see those. Damn, this is just crazy right here. Nice tank right there. Well, that's not a tank. I don't know what that is. But it's big and looks scary as hell. But, yeah, it is a tank, isn't it? Like a bulldozer tank. Okay, I'm gonna cut the video here and start a new one. Back again, watching all these go right through Colton, right by the McDonald's and the mail place. Same place, just... These are like more of construction vehicles. They had tanks and surface-to-air missile vehicles and stuff. It was a lot. And here comes the end, actually. So, all this, and there was worse ones I got pictures of. I will post them on. Okay, thank you.